Hi all, welcome to the presentation on JobPulse. JobPulse is a cutting-edge research endeavor towards the development of a personalized job recommendation system integrating skills, experiences, and personality profiles. So let me introduce you about myself first. I'm Sashinka Kumarage and I'm reading Masters in Advanced Software Engineering, and this project is supervised by Mr. Kasim Farooq. So let's start this presentation by research problem. The research problem is how can personalized job recommendation systems in this IT industry effectively account for the diverse specializations, work cultures, and individual personality traits of job seekers to ensure optimal job matching and long-term career success. Let me explain about this a bit. So, the IT industry is known for its diverse work cultures, ranging from fast paced startup environments to more structured corporate settings. So, the individuals may thrive or struggle in these different environments based on their personality traits, their work preferences, and communication styles. Let me provide you an example. Introverted individuals may find it challenging to thrive in highly collaborative work environments that emphasizes teamwork and constant interaction. Conversely, extroverted individuals may struggle in roles that require prolonged periods of solitary work or limited social interaction. So, as we develop this personalized job recommendation system, it's crucial to consider not only skills and job preferences, but also individual personality traits and work environment preferences to ensure optimal job matching and long term career success. So, let's move to the solution. So, here we are suggesting a solution to capture personality traits, skills, and also work experience of the applicants. First of all, the applicant has to go through a personality trait questionnaire, then a questionnaire on skills and past experiences. Then we process with NLP techniques to extract these personality traits, skills, and experiences. Then we crawl and scrape on job advertisement websites and extract text from image advertisements and suggest the job vacancies matched to the personality traits, working environment preferences, skills, and experience of the applicants. So let's move to the initial implementation of this solution. So let's start with the experience extraction model. First, I have imported my dataset here. This is the dataset I have acquired from the questionnaires of the applicants. Then first, I have started cleaning my dataset. So as the first step, I have replaced non-alphanumeric characters with spaces, and all text is converted to lowercase. Then I have done column renaming. Several columns in the data frame are renamed using this rename method. This likely simplifies column names for ease of reference in the subsequent analysis. Then I have done ordinal encoding here. So here the categorical values indicating levels of agreement. As an example, disagree strongly, agree strongly, with numerical values 1 to 5 are replaced. So this is crucial for numerical analysis since this machine learning algorithm requires numerical input. So then I have done the numeric conversion here. So this is used to convert all columns to numeric data types except those that cannot be converted. And I have done the calculating personality traits next. So here I have calculated 5 personality traits based on the responses in the specific columns. So each trait is computed by summing scores, the scores from relevant columns, and dividing the total number of questions related to that trait. So then I have exported the pre-processed dataset into a CSV again. So this is the dataset that I'm using to train my model. I have used this pre-processed dataset here, and again I have renamed my columns to source test and target text. Then I have split my dataset to training dataset and the testing dataset. Then I have started training my model using 10 epochs, and the batch size I have used is 5 here. So then after training the model, I have loaded my model again here, and I have given a phrase to summarize. So I'll run this again. Let's provide the output as junior software engineer 3 years, software engineer 2 years, and senior software engineer. So this extract the position and the years of experience. I'll modify this to associate software engineer, like 1 year. Then move to DevOps engineer, and it's again for 1 year, and formatted to values. Now let's see the results. See, the position and experiences are extracted here. Now let's move to our skills extraction model. In skills extraction model, I have used the same pre-processed dataset from the experience extraction model. Then I have renamed my columns to source text and target text here also. This is how it looks like when I rename the columns. Then here you can see I have splitted my dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Then I have started training my model. Here I have used 20 epochs as the epoch size and 5 as the batch size. Here then I have again loaded my train model here. Now let's test the model. So you can see here JavaFX, MySQL, Spring, HTML, CSS, skills like those are extracted. Let me change this into language. This is for Vue.js. Now we can see the updated skills are provided here. So that's our skill extraction model. Now let's move to our job recommendation model. Now I'll explain about my job recommendation system. So here also first I have imported my dataset here. Then I have combined the system and user columns and created a single column use source, and then I have dropped this system and user columns here. This is how it looks like when the columns are dropped. Then I have renamed my columns here to target text and source text. This is how it looks like when the columns are renamed. Then again I have splitted my dataset here as well. Then I have loaded a pre-trained model, T5 model. Then I have started training my model here. Here I have used 7 epochs and source max token length I have used 2448. You can see here. Here you can see I have provided a text to summarize. So this text includes a list of job recommendations under the key ads here. And so each job recommendation contains details such as job title, company name, brief description, required skills, and URL here. So and also this includes the user state information and it is provided under the key user status here. Here there's a user status. You can see. So it includes details such as users BFI, scores, skills, and experiences. Then this text is passed to this model for the prediction, the trained models for prediction. Here you can see. Then here the output of the prediction model is stored in our Stout0. You can see the recommendation here with the title, URL, and the title is here software engineer at ProDigit, and the URL is also provided here. So that's all about our initial implementation. Now let's move to the technologies that we'll be using in the future and that we have already used. So the front-end implementations will be using HTML, CSS, and also Bootstrap. And as the programming language, we have used Python. And as the IDE, we have used Google Colab. Then also the Python libraries as Beautiful Soup we have used. Then we have used Flask as our development framework also. So if we talked about the data tier, we have used MySQL and GitHub as our version controlling, and also Express Jobs to extract job advertisements from this site. So what is next? So we are going to fine tune this model to get the best accuracy out of those models. Then our plan is to implement a user-friendly user interfaces. So those are our next plans. So that's all about this presentation. Thank you so much.